Here's another unboxing video of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, following the 3 videos we saw yesterday. This time, Ice Universe has shared an unboxing video of the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra on Weibo. In the video, you can spot the Galaxy S24 Ultra in a striking titanium violet color, and it undeniably looks stunning. These videos also reveal that Samsung has opted for a flat-screen design for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, departing from the curved screens used in the past. The Galaxy S24 Plus comes in a stylish marble gray color. And Ice Universe notes that this design matches the renders we've previously seen. Lastly, the Galaxy S24 is presented in a sleek black color.